So we're going to be testing out the buyback function on this Scoutly app. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to scan a book, and we're going to see for this P, these are all for this Powell books, this stack right here. So we're going to go ahead and click on it, and I already know that it's not going to pull up. There's an issue right now with the API, but we do have it pulled up here on the website. And so basically this is powellsbooks.com. You want to go to the actual condition standards page and see how they want their books. Like, so good condition only, no rips, tears, stains, or odors, no writing, highlighting, no book club editions, no ex-library. So this place is pretty specific on the actual books they want, which you have to comply with what the actual book buyback site wants. When you have that, when you have books that qualify, you go ahead and take a book and you scan it into however they do it. So for this one, we're just gonna go ahead and scan that. And we're just gonna go ahead and go down the line and scan all these books in. I'm gonna go ahead and get these scanned in and cleaned up, and I'll get back to you. All right, so I've entered all the books in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and click sell these books. So let's see what kind of valuation we get for all these. I've been compiling them for a while, and so I'm hoping I can get a little bit of money out of it. There's only one book that I had to pull just because of condition issues. This Clockwork Orange, there's some water damage throughout, like kind of at the top. You see how it's wrinkled. So I went ahead and pulled it just because I didn't want to risk it. So it looks like we can do $18.50 in Powell's virtual credit or $12.25 in PayPal. And I'm gonna go ahead and it looks like they're not accepting those 3 books, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and grab those out, but I'm gonna go ahead and accept this offer, and I'm gonna see if there's any other stuff I need to fill out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make an account with Powell's. All right, so I went ahead, I packed up all of my books in this box. I have 10 books in here. Buy cost for all these is $2.50. They gave me a free shipping label to send in, which I've noticed is a trend with these buyback sites, which is really, really nice if you live in the United States, because you literally get to ship these books for free, and in some cases get a free monetization of these books. In some cases, people are going through Gaylord's worth of books, so thousands, and they have all these duds that they need to monetize. Well, now here is a free way to monetize those duds. All we have to do now, put the air in there, pack the box, tape it up, and put it in the mailbox.